Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today, let's learn how to add silence in Audacity. It's super simple, so let's get into it. First up, import your audio in Audacity. To show the difference, I will copy and paste it. Double click to select the track that you want to silence. Head towards the Effect tab and go to Special. Here, you can see Truncate Silence. Click on it. After you've seen it, there are settings that are present here. The threshold defines the volume Audacity reads to silence it, and the duration defines the time that Audacity reads before silencing. Once you are familiar with the settings and tweaked it accordingly, click Apply, and you can see the before and after results in the screen clearly. This is how to instantly and easily silence your audios in FL Studio. That's it. Hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe and follow us for more related videos. See you next time.